Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your online status and last seen on WhatsApp so you can have more privacy while using the app. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and tap the three dots menu in the top right corner if you're on Android, or tap Settings at the bottom. If you're on iPhone now, go to Privacy. Here you'll see two important options: Last Seen and Online. Tap on Last Seen and Online. Under Who Can See My Last Seen, you can choose Everyone, My Contacts except, or Nobody. If you don't want anyone to see it, select Nobody. Just below that, you'll see the Who Can See When I'm Online option. You can set it to Everyone or Same as Last Seen if you want complete privacy. Choose Same as Last Seen and make sure your last seen is hidden. Once done, go back and your new privacy settings are automatically saved. Now no one will be able to check your last seen or know when you're online. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.